Hello, in this video I'm going to share the detail of how you can create the begin checkout event and how we can you can connect it with the Google Tag Manager and create the tag and how you can verify it and what is the begin checkout if someone come on your website and your e-commerce website and it can add to cart your product and you can go on checkout page where all the detail are need to enter like first name, last name, and card details and shipping address and etc. All these things. And after the checkout page, he can go on purchase button. So if they can come back from the begin checkout page, we can track those customers. So first of all, what you need to do is you can uh, first of all just come click on the goals and here is click on summary for the conversion and you will see this type of page where all the goals are set up. So what you need to do is you can create on conversion action, conversion goal there. Click on that. Here you have these options. You have to check mark the conversion on a website. So just click on save and continue. Here we have a different options: view page, contact, purchase, and subscribe, book now. Here is a begin checkout. Basically, we have to connect. We have to create this type of Google tag. So just click on that and click on manual and after that here is a some option, either you make it primary or secondary whatsoever. So here is a begin checkout conversion name and here you have to click on every count because in e-commerce every uh, sale matters. If someone come and he can purchase again and again, it's matter. It's not a services website where he need their detail or again and again. We don't need in services website we just need a single time. So in services we click on one, but in e-commerce we can click on every count matter. Here is a conversion record. You can select it last 90 days. So just click on done and just click on save and continue. Here what you have to do is there is a three options: set up with the Google tag, instruction to your webmaster and use Google Tag Manager. What we will do is we will go with the Google, use Google Tag Manager. Here is we have a conversion label and conversion ID. These are the very important information for this event. Now you have to just leave this page as it is and go on the Google Tag Manager. Here we have created different tags. You have to click on new and click on tag configuration. Then click on Google Ads and click on Google Ads conversions tracking. So here what we need to do is we have to add the conversion ID. What we can do is just copy this conversion ID and paste it there. One more thing, you can also create the constant variable of this. Uh, you can go and find the constant. You can enter the value and you can enter the name of this ID, and rather than entering the this conversion ID again and again, you can just add the constant. Now here is a conversion label. What you need to do is you can go there, copy this conversion label. It's a unique, so copy and paste it very carefully. So now there is a three option: conversion value, transaction ID, and currency code. So what you need to do is you can duplicate this and click on preview button and add your domain and click on connect. After that, what you need to do is you have to make a purchase. Basically, not a purchase, you have to go on checkout button basically. So what you need to do is you have to click on add to cart button on your product basically. So just click on add to cart button. Here you can check add to cart button. Yes, it's working fine. and then you have to click on view cart, and then let's see. Yes, cart button is working fine, and our last button is proceed to checkout. This is our page, which pages we have to basically track in our event. So what we need is, this is a basically page. So let's see, here is a, it's a triggering fine. So what we need to do is just stop this, click on continue, click on begin, and then this is our data layer. Now what we need is, in this we need a conversion value and basically a currency code. So how we can get, first of all you have to copy this e-commerce and paste it, click on plus button and click on plus again, variable configuration, then data layer variable, just paste there, and after that you have to copy the value and just add the dot and then click on value, and you can just copy it, begin, make it begin check out value, just click on save button. Then what we need to do is we need to add the currency code basically. For the currency code, we do the similar thing. Click on add, click on plus button, and then click on variable configuration, add the data layer, and in that what we need is, we need a e-commerce basically, and add the dot, and then we need to add the currency. Just copy it and paste it there, and here we can make it currency, just make it currency data layer whatsoever, data layer, and just save it. Now what you need to do is, you need to just make it uh, begin checkout Google Ads conversion test. In the triggering, just click on that and click on plus button and click on trigger configuration and go on custom event. And in that, the event name we can select it with that begin. This is our event name. Just copy this and paste it there. Begin checkout and begin checkout. Just save it, and everything is done. Just save it again, and now your tag is created. Don't forget to submit this. Click on submit button and add this begin checkout, publish it, and don't forget to finish. Click on finish in your conversion action goal. So here, this is right now, this is showing a misconfigured error. Basically it's an inactive because we do not filed it right now. So once we filed it through the Google Tag Manager, the status will be converted to the inactive to active. So for this we can go on preview. This is live now. Click on workspace. Just click on preview button. I think I need to close all of these. Let's see in Google Tag Manager, and we can fire this. So just go there, connect it. Where is the call bytes? Here what you need to do is click on preview and you add your domain there. Click on connect. And then again what you need to do is just click on that and repeat the all the process while creating this event. Click on add to cart and then click on view cart. Also check it's working fine. Yes. So now click on proceed to checkout. Yes, it's working fine. Just uh, click on continue and check whether it's fired or not. So the tag is fired, begin checkout, Google Ad conversion test. This is fired successfully. Our type is Google Ads conversion tracking. And after that, we have selected conversion value is begin checkout. Our conversion ID is this. This is from the while creating our Google conversion action through the Google Ads. We have added this, and this is our conversion label. And this is basically a currency data layer that we get from the Google Tag Manager. And this is a firing trigger begin checkout. So let's go there and we have to check is this active or not right now. So just refresh this page and let's see. This is our begin checkout and it's active now, and there is no recent conversion because we did not have created any campaign right now. Once we can create the campaigns, so on this basically event on this goal, so it will be shown active. So right now there is a no recent campaign recent conversion because of there is no active campaigns on that. So if you need conversion tracking for your business, so you can contact me. And if you're stuck somewhere and you need a consultation, you can also contact me. There is a no charges for the consultation. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And also please share the video. Thank you so much.